Before the world called me a legend, I was just a scared boy fighting against life itself. I was born on a small island in Madeira, Portugal. People know me today, but they don't know the beginning. My story starts with pain. I still remember the day I found out my family had no money to buy me proper football shoes. I cried alone. I felt small, invisible, and the world felt too big for a boy like me. But even then, one thing was clear in my heart. Football was the only thing that made me feel alive. At 12 years old, I left my home and family to chase a dream in Lisbon. I was just a scared kid with one suitcase, no friends, no father next to me, and no idea if I would ever be good enough. Every night, I cried quietly in my bed, asking myself, why am I here? What if I fail? And then came a moment I will never forget. One day during training, I felt something wrong inside my chest. My heart was beating too fast. Doctors found I had a heart condition. I thought everything was over, the dream gone. I asked myself the hardest question, is this how my story ends? But life has a strange way of testing those who want something badly. After surgery, my coach looked at me and said, "Cristiano, this is your fight, and you will win." That sentence became my turning point. After that, I trained harder than anyone, not for fame, not for money, but to prove that fear would never control my life. I stayed on empty fields after everyone went home. I practiced until my legs shook. I refused parties, sleep, and comfort. I became addicted to improvement. Every day, I repeated these words, "Talent is nothing without work." My father passed away before he saw what I became. That pain became fuel. I promised myself I would honor him with greatness. My comeback wasn't magic. It was discipline, consistency, sacrifice, saying yes to hard days and no to excuses. Years later, the world finally saw the result. Manchester United, Real Madrid, Champions League, Portugal, awards, records, wins and losses, hat tricks and heartbreaks, millions cheering my name. But the truth is this, my greatest victory was not the trophies. It was becoming the person I needed when I was that lonely 12-year-old boy. People see the success, but behind it stands a child who refused to quit, a young boy who believed that pain could be turned into power, a man who made a promise to himself and never broke it. And if my story teaches anything, it's this. Moral of the story. No one starts strong. No one starts confident. No one starts fearless. But the ones who succeed are the ones who keep going even when everything tells them to stop. Your struggle today can become your strength tomorrow if you refuse to quit.